Heavy rainfall moved across the San Francisco Bay Area on Saturday, December 20th, 2025, as cool and moist air settled along the California coast. The Golden Gate Bridge became shrouded in thick fog, its towers fading in and out of view above the bay. Rain continued through the day, creating slick streets and muted city scenes near Fort Point. Residents and visitors walked under umbrellas, moving steadily through the rain while fog drifted across the shoreline. Visibility around the bridge dropped as clouds hugged the water, transforming one of San Francisco's most recognizable landmarks into a soft silhouette. The weather system brought steady rainfall, but allowed daily activity to continue, offering a calm, atmospheric view of the city shaped by rain, wind, and coastal fog.
When we were just saying, you see
The ropes.
the roads.